Hey, I'm Mark Batson, Wrightsville Beach, North Carolina, owner of Tongue and Groove Design Build. We're at a project known as 72 here on Pelican Drive. 6 bedrooms, 7.5 bathrooms, lap pool, rooftop cabana, all the luxuries of a modern beach home. So the ground floor entry in this home sets a presence as soon as you approach. These double doors open through to a lap pool that's 20 yards, and that ends on the bulkhead and dock and the waterway out back. The best part about this home is the deep water access out back, which is literally 30 feet away. So we've got up to 6 slips, which accommodate vessels up to 60 feet in length. The other luxuries that are out back include an enclosed gym area that spills out to the pool deck. So literally do laps here, enter into a plunge section of the pool, work out at your leisure. And then over on this side of the ground floor is all your outdoor grilling, fire pit, outdoor TVs, and everything for the ground floor. So this house is comprised of 4 floors again, and we're on the main floor now, which is the main living floor. And it opens out to your water view again. The floor plan includes kitchen, dining, living, real open concept, and then sitting area. Yeah, in the kitchen area, the owner, this is the 3rd project we've done for him, really wanted a dining booth. So this section here accommodates a dining booth for up to 12 guests. The other feature in this home that's different is the architectural style. We call it yacht modern. So details that you'll see in the ceilings and in the walls, they include a lot of curves and soft edges. So while we're under construction, we have temporary stairs set up, but throughout the house, you're going to have a steel stringer stair system that transects all the way through all 4 floors and looks pretty impressive. This is the owner's office, and again, you see some more of the yacht modern detailing. Structurally, we included some swaths of steel that cut through the front glass, and they're reminiscent of yacht architecture, hence the yacht modern. Master bathroom, his and hers vanities, full huge walk-in shower, surrounded by glass. The glass, in fact, is switch glass, so you apply electrical charge and it frosts the glass for privacy. Coming out of the master bathroom, we have a suspended cabinet here with a wet bar, so refrigerator drawers for waters, coffee, whatever for the master suite. All right, master bedroom, we're on the 3rd level of the home, and it commands an impressive view of almost 180 degrees of waterfront and marsh. We're on the 4th level of the home now, and this is arguably the most impressive part because we're almost 40 feet high. And it includes an outdoor living space that I don't think I've seen in North Carolina anywhere. It's about 2,000 square feet, and it includes fireplace, televisions, outdoor kitchen, porch heaters. We've got a sunset deck with a fire pit that takes advantage of 360 degrees of views all the way around Wrightsville Beach. So we've got floating decks that are covering this space, but this area behind me is where our summer kitchen will be, and then an island bar here. But one of the cool features about a house that's 40 feet tall, and we've got 4 levels and all of this entertaining space is, what do you do with practical items like trash bags? So we ordered a trash chute from New York, and at each level there's a place where you can drop it through a stainless steel chute.